This morning when I woke up, I've seen that my fridge was warm and there was a fuse blown in my electric cabinets. I already did some research and I found horrible connections for the water heater underneath the sink. To get to the boiler, I'm going to remove the doors from the cabinet. Some people have absolutely no idea how to install a boiler. Look at this shit. Silicone. Ugh. I cut the wire in two pieces and they connected like this. Now a little bit of water from the drain with the silicone that was already loose. A question of time. It can go wrong and it will go wrong. Time to make some space. I want to get the boiler out. What the fuck? They've used Teflon tape and all the connections. This one is fitted with the child lock. You can find the screw behind the dial. I'm going to connect the boiler with a new cable from an old computer. And able to connect the wires, you need cable bushes. You also need a crimping tool, which you can buy for $10 or something. Everything is back in place. The only thing I still have to do is to go to the hardware shop and get some new piping and fittings.